Welcome back, Adventure Builders. I'm going to do the beginning of many installments where I'm going to talk about treasure maps and how incredible they are. As I said in a previous video, the Ottendorf cipher might be my favorite way to encode a message. Treasure map is by far my favorite mechanic to use, whether it's in a single linear hunt or whether it's in a large-scale group adventure. Before I get started, I would love to thank my newest patron, Lacey Lynn K. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you're interested in doing puzzles or getting puzzles you can use for treasure hunts, head over to Patreon and support. It's quite fun, and there's a lot there that you can use. So let's get into the maps. Treasure maps have a ton of versatility that you can use. They're not hard to design, and that's where we're going to start. I recommend using a website called snazzymaps.com. You can find the link in the bio. But Snazzy Maps is basically a way to take a screenshot of Google Maps and just remove all the crap. The Burger King that's on the corner here, or the bus station that's here. So you just get a nice, clean map with whatever you want on it, whether it's street names or just nothing. It gives you flexibility, and there's some cool themes and skins that you can use. And then you can go straight to a print shop like Kinko's or Staples, and you can print one that's 1 foot by 2 feet for like less than $1. You can get it for not very much. And so it's not hard to put together, and it's not very expensive, and it gives you an insane amount of flexibility as a creator. Probably the most important thing that you get is one of the biggest risks you have versus just like an escape room or something in your home, and that's setting boundaries. If you've done an escape room, you've probably gotten a spiel where they're like, okay, I can't believe I have to say this, but please don't rip off the vents. Even if you somehow think that you've solved a puzzle where it says rip off the vents, you've solved it wrong, because somebody always finds a reason to just go really far in the wrong direction. And it's the same thing with treasure hunts, where maybe you want to send them to a bar with a certain name, and they end up Googling it and realizing like, well, there's a bar down the street with this name, but there's also a bar 2 states away with the same name. It's gotta be it, because there was the number 2 in a sentence that was said 5 clues ago. So maps really help your players understand that these are the parameters, right? These are the boundaries. So if you're 2 states away, it's wrong. And I can't believe I have to say this, but this stuff happens. It really does. It doesn't happen often, but it happens enough to want to have some type of contingency to make sure that's the case. And maps are going to do it. I'm going to keep this video very short, because frankly, I think you guys like videos that are shorter. And then I'm going to do future videos talking about all the different things that can interact with maps to either make it fun for the player, or to give you flexibility, or to just be a mechanic that goes through. So the bottom line with this: use treasure maps in a single serving adventure, use them in a large scale adventure. Snazzymaps.com is the way to go as far as starting with the map, and then you can add whatever you'd like, whether you're going to do it digitally or whether you're just going to hand draw something on top of that. So I'd love to hear about how you use maps, but stay tuned for future 1-minute inspirational tutorial videos that talk about a specific way you can interact with maps. But until next time, happy adventuring.